Meet the 4th generation finger pick, a Bluetooth finger button that allows you to activate the barcode scanner directly for a hands-free approach. Thanks to its long-lasting rechargeable battery, you can use it for months without worries. And when you need it, you can just recharge it via a USB-C cable without the need to open it. Light and ergonomic, the new finger pick is easily wearable thanks to an elastic band that fixes it to the finger without the use of velcro so that it lasts longer. To use finger pick, turn it on, pressing the small button on the side. Then just download the app from the store into your barcode reader. You can pair them via NFC by simply holding the tag close to the device. Once paired, you can immediately start using your finger pick to hands-free scanning, making use of the unique dome switch designed to last millions of presses. If the scanner is equipped with a long-range barcode reader, you can even read barcodes up to 20 meters away. Make your logistics easier. Finger Pick by Lexter, the original Bluetooth finger button.